Welcome to the Tech Region. Today, we're exploring the frontier of construction technologies that you simply can't miss. These innovations are not just futuristic, they're happening right now. Stay tuned to discover the technologies that are reshaping our skylines and redefining the future of construction. Trimble SiteVision. Trimble SiteVision is an augmented reality system tailored for construction crews, transforming how projects are visualized and executed. Imagine illustrating the final look of a bridge under repair, or pinpointing underground utilities for workers with unmatched clarity. To use Trimble SiteVision, you only need a smartphone with a special app and a couple of accessories, like a rangefinder and an antenna. It projects objects at a 1.1 scale, compatible with programs like Civil 3D, Autodesk Revit, and AutoCAD. The system supports GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, and other navigation systems. Requirements include an Android 9.0 or later smartphone with a display of at least 8 inches. It's a bit more complex than playing Pokemon Go, but the results are extraordinary. L panels. These customizable L panels serve multiple purposes, from leveling height variations on construction sites to creating intricate garden landscapes akin to the Hanging Gardens of Babylon. Tailored by many manufacturers, they cater to diverse needs. Whether you require a towering 4-meter panel or desire specific colors and textures, customization is readily available. Commonly utilized as an aesthetic alternative to traditional fences, these panels effectively demarcate spaces while preserving scenic views. How would you integrate them into your projects? FIBRE. The FIBRE team tackles a vital mission, crafting systems to maintain, repair, and fortify cultural heritage sites. Throughout history, ancient builders innovated with materials like volcanic ash and concrete, and even tales of adding eggs to lime mortar. Yet despite these efforts, ancient monuments face ongoing decay. FIBRE's reinforcement grids offer a modern solution, preserving historical aesthetics while addressing complex structural challenges. These grids enhance structural integrity by improving shear and compression resistance, imparting flexibility, and bolstering earthquake resilience. In doing so, FIBRE combines heritage preservation with advanced engineering, ensuring that iconic landmarks endure for generations to come. Hager Unibar. Hager Unibar is a robust industrial product tailored for high-current applications in environments such as factories, nuclear power plants, and shipyards. Capable of managing up to 4,000 amps, it comprises just 8 essential components, ensuring straightforward modification, expansion, and upgrades during installation to address operational challenges effectively. Utilizing reliable features like single-bolt clamps and shear bolts, the system guarantees durability and ease of maintenance. Its performance benefits are visualized through BM, a digital model of the facilities. Additionally, the versatility of Unibar extends to data transmission applications, highlighting its adaptability across various industrial needs. Whether for heavy-duty power distribution or integrated data solutions, Hager Unibar stands out as a dependable choice for demanding industrial environments. OLYMPUS. Italy's architectural treasures, from the Colosseum in Rome to the Milan Cathedral and the Mole Antonelliana in Turin, face a constant challenge: earthquakes. With Italy recording over 16,000 seismic events last year alone, safeguarding these historic structures is crucial. Enter OLYMPUS, a company specializing in products designed to fortify buildings against seismic activity. Their solutions enhance the strength of wooden beams and reinforced concrete slabs, bolstering flexural and shear capabilities to withstand tremors. This ensures that Italy's cultural heritage remains resilient, preserving these landmarks for future generations to enjoy without compromising their historical integrity. RoadPrinter. Say hello to the future of road construction with RoadPrinter, a revolutionary system that automates the entire process. Load pavers on one end, and on the other, a fully usable pedestrian zone emerges instantly. Roads crafted by RoadPrinter boast 4 times the strength of manually paved ones, ensuring top-notch quality. With a massive working width of up to 6 meters, operators can choose from a variety of block options and designs to suit any project. But that's not all. Introducing RoadPrinter Eco, the world's first all-electric model in this category. It's 3 times faster than its predecessor, experiences fewer breakdowns, and using it might even qualify you for a grant from the Dutch government. Embrace efficiency and durability like never before with RoadPrinter, and its cutting-edge technology paving the way forward. X-CALIBR. X-CALIBR isn't a new film about King Arthur, but an innovative construction technology. Typically, large buildings or structures require steel beams, which can be costly and time-consuming. Why go through all that hassle when you can give X-CALIBR a try? This technology consists of a framework that needs to be assembled with components like rafters, columns, and beams. Customers can order anything, even a warehouse like the one shown in the video. Remarkably, the factory manufactured all its components in just 3 days. The company uses galvanized steel that's 195 millimeters thick and has created special rivets for the connections. This streamlined process saves time and effort, making construction more efficient and cost-effective. Samplize. Samplize are poised to captivate designers and painters alike with their innovative peel and stick paint samples. Each sample features 2 layers of paint in a specific color, allowing designers to showcase multiple options effortlessly. These flexible samples can be rolled up and conveniently carried in a purse, adhering securely even to textured surfaces. What sets slides apart is their reusability. They can be applied and removed without leaving residue. Each sticker includes essential details like the paint name, color code, and manufacturer, making decision-making streamlined. Priced at $6 per sample. So WOODHAVEN. WOODHAVEN MDF planks offer an instant infusion of warmth and character to any space, ideal for concealing damaged drywall or popcorn ceilings without the need for removal. Installation is versatile with 2 options. The Easy Up system features clips and tracks, adaptable for ceilings, with grids up to 3.3 centimeters thick. Alternatively, the kit includes clips and screws for direct installation. Each box covers 2.7 square meters, making it a cost-effective choice at $120 per kit. This solution not only enhances aesthetic appeal, but also simplifies renovation projects with its straightforward installation methods and durable MDF construction. TECON plastic formwork. TECON plastic formwork might not be a groundbreaking innovation, but it's a game changer for construction efficiency. Let's dive into why this product stands out. First, it's significantly lighter than steel formwork, cutting down on transportation costs and effort, ideal for sites out of crane reach. Next, its durability shines. TECON TP60 formwork panels can endure up to 100 uses. The assembly is a breeze, even for novices, ensuring smooth operations on site. Moreover, the formwork's non-reactive nature with concrete means no staining and hassle-free cleaning. With the TP60, you can form a wall up to 3.6 meters high in one pour. It's a practical, efficient solution for modern construction needs. GRP Rooflights. When a cattle barn's lighting is well planned, milk production can rise by 15%. This is why panels that maximize sunlight and reduce the need for artificial lighting early in the day appeal to farmers. These panels are partly made of fiberglass, making them easy to move and install. For instance, some options add only 2.4 kilograms of weight per square meter and fit perfectly on a roof with just a slight 5-degree pitch. The result is a well-lit, energy-efficient barn that boosts milk production and benefits both farmers and their herds. Xella Hololens. The Microsoft HoloLens augmented reality headset has been revolutionizing industries, from surgery to space exploration, and now it's shaping the future of construction. The HoloLens 2 XR10 Trimble Edition integrates a construction helmet with advanced internal updates, enabling users to seamlessly merge virtual building models with real-world environments in minutes. This innovation proves invaluable for communicating complex construction plans to clients unfamiliar with the building process. Simply walking around the site with the headset allows instant identification of potential issues, enhancing project efficiency and client satisfaction. Moreover, the headset offers training videos accessible during work, supporting new builders in mastering tasks on the go. With its ability to blend virtual and physical realities effortlessly, the HoloLens 2 XR10 Trimble Edition exemplifies how augmented reality is transforming construction, making projects more collaborative, efficient, and accessible to all stakeholders. I-Trac. Ever walked on temporary flooring and wondered how sturdy it really is? Enter RoadPrinter, the folks behind some of the toughest flooring on the planet. Their IRTR product is no joke. It's tough enough for military use. Picture this. Each square meter can handle up to a whopping 200 tons, yet the slabs themselves are light as a feather at just 15 kilograms. That means you can lay down a huge 100 square meters in just an hour, no matter if it's sand, snow, or mud underneath. And get this, IRTR doesn't care about extreme temperatures either, from blistering hot to freezing cold. It's the ultimate flooring solution for durability and ease, ensuring reliability wherever it's deployed. Thanks for joining us on Geek Tech Zone. If you found these construction technologies as fascinating as we did, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech insights. Ring the bell to stay updated on our latest videos. Share your thoughts and let us know which tech you think will have the biggest impact. See you next time with more mind-blowing innovations.